We got a bunch of good snow up here this week. Unfortunately, the ski hill in town, which shall remain unnamed, decided not to open. So there's no lift serviced skiing in town or around. When the ski hill's not open, just ski the hills.
We're up here at 12 foot. We're about to do 12 feet of skiing. It's gonna be extreme. Stay tuned.
Just did the Scarecrow 6 zone just out of Peace River. The reason why it's called Scarecrow 6 will be left up to a mystery. Oh, we were out there the whole afternoon, 2.5 hours, something like this. We got the sunset, which was pretty nice. Unfortunately, our batteries froze and died right as we wanted to do something with that, but that's okay. And we might have a drone shot because somebody flew a drone over us. If you flew that drone, get in touch. We want that footage. It's a lot of work. It's a lot of work for sure, but it's neat doing something different. So overall good. I'd do it again.